Have you lost your birth certificate and don't know what to do? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll show you how to apply for an Australian birth certificate replacement quickly and easily. This document is vital for so many things: getting a passport, driver's license, even opening a bank account. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And for more updates, hit the bell icon. First, let's understand what you need to do when applying for an Australian birth certificate replacement. If your certificate was issued in a specific state, like Victoria, Queensland, or South Australia, you must apply through that state's births, deaths, and marriages registry. Step 1. Identify the issuing authority. Find out which state or territory issued your original birth certificate. Step 2. Check your eligibility. Only the person named on the certificate, their parent, or a legal representative can apply. Step 3. Gather your documents. You'll need proof of identity, full birth name, date and place of birth, parents' names, and possibly your hospital of birth. If your documents are not in English, get them translated by a NAATI-certified translator. Step 4. Fill in the application form. This can be done online or via post. Each state's process may differ slightly. Step 5. Submit your form and pay the fee. Costs vary. For example, in Victoria, a standard legal birth certificate is $54.40. Processing times also vary, usually 2 to 10 business days depending on urgency and location. Remember, a commemorative birth certificate is beautiful, but it's not valid for legal purposes. So always apply for the official one if you need it for ID, passport, or legal reasons. Losing your birth certificate can be stressful, but getting an Australian birth certificate replacement is simpler than you think, as long as you follow the right steps. Need help with document translations or applications? Reach out to the proper state registry or a certified translator. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And for more updates, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your birth certificate replacement journey in Australia.